Everybody, it's Kate Reto here. So for today's video, tara samahan niyo ako. I know that a lot of you have been waiting to see me also visiting a school here in Pakistan.
Hello everybody! For today's video, tara samahan niyo ako to do something special. Today, we got invited to visit a Pashtun school here in Pakistan. Sabay-sabay natin saksihan ang kanilang warm welcome and of course, their hospitality. Kaya tara't makipagkwentuhan,
Oh, thank you. Sabi ko sa inyo, maliit lang ako sa personal eh.
sumilip sa kanilang classrooms,
Hello.
at makasabay sa kanilang ngiti sa vlog na to. This is Kate
Ay,
Reto from
hello.
Pakistan.
Ay,
Let's
ba't mo
go!
yan? Ang galing naman. Nakakatuwa. Ginagawa din namin yun nung bata kami. Kate Reto as DepEd. Bye-bye! Samayan! Bye-bye! Waalaikumsalam. Bye! Waalaikumsalam. Bye-bye! Take care! Bye! Alapes! Hi! Uuwi kita! Akit na lang tayo. Bye! Bye! Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kate Reto here. So for today, ganda ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Everybody, it's Kate Reto here. So for today's video, tara samahan niyo ako. I know that a lot of you have been waiting to see me also visiting a school here in Pakistan. So for today's video, that's what we're gonna be doing. So I got invited ng Pashtun community here in Rawalpindi. So that is what we're gonna be doing for today. We have been planning to do it for kind of a little long time, to be honest, but because of the schedule and everything, the travel itineraries like that, eto na siguro yung final moment to be able to do this. So ayun. So medyo naligaw kami ng 2 beses. Mahirap, di ko alam kung paano namin nahanap to, but yeah, we're near. Hintay na ako ng office nila. Akala mo naman talaga, as a DepEd tayo for today's video. Ito naman yung outfitting natin. Talagang naka-white camera. Oh, no accessories, no anything, no any makeup like that. Neutral, very neutral lang tayo. Okay. Alam mo, nasa release na kami ng train. Kanina pa kami naliligaw talaga ng malala. Hindi mahanap-hanap nung driver yung nasa gilid siya ng alam nyo ba, ng release. But I think I can see it now. Yeah, just go straight by dyan. See there? Makikita ko na siya. So, nasa gilid pala siya ng release ng train. Oh my God. Ano ginagawa ko at the moment? But yeah, let's do this. I'm so excited to do this. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can get updates from me at sa aking mga ganaps. And huwag na nating patagalin ito. Ayun na yan. Bye! Ay, bye. Bakit ba? Kasi na, let's go. It's okay, you can take the extra. Okay? Thank you. Hello. Grabe naman itong school na to. Napakahirap hanapin. How are you? Assalamualaikum. Sanggay kay. Sanggay kay. Salam. Oh, everybody, so we have finally arrived here in the school, and the person who invited me is Professor Arif. Hi, so like he invited me for like months now, right?
Yeah.
But it never happened because like a lot of traveling schedules like that. But we have finally made it today, and I'll make sure to you that we'll be able to show their community and their culture here, of course. So ayun, tara na.
He's also teacher.
Also, it's my first time to meet a lot of Pashtun teachers. Yeah.
By the way, you are looking good.
Oh, thank you.
You are looking beautiful. And I see your videos in the Kalam Swat. And you told me they are very hospitable people.
Yeah.
And the hospitality, people know the hospitality from the Pashtun.
Yeah, only Pashtun. You have the best hospitality. Yeah, that's what I always tell. That's what I always say. Russia. Russia. Who is this? Student?
This is student.
Ang cute ng uniform nila. We can show her. She can say hi. Say hi. Hi. Ang cute ng uniform nila. Gusto ko yan. Nakaka-kinder. Nakakamiss naman yung ganito. I feel so sad. I need to buy something.
You told me, but I think the market is away from there. That's why. you want to buy, these are local shop.
Yeah, we can buy just juices, snacks, biscuits. I think we do that first before we go to the studio. What do you think? It's okay for you?
Important. It's necessary.
It's important that I give them something. Because some people also is like giving me something to give it to them.
Tonight I say you bring the things.
I'm so
from
busy.
market.
I cannot do that alone.
You are taking only 15 minutes.
I'm thinking. First time I checked last night. Today.
You are busy to make your videos.
Yeah, and edits. And I just finished my tour. Sabi ko sa inyo, maliit lang ako sa personal eh. Sabi niya sa, I look what? Again, say it again.
You look cuter.
Cuter? Cute more in person.
You look big in videos, but in reality you look normal and beautiful.
Ay, narinig niyo yan. Malaki daw ako sa video. Sabi niya, cute ka pala sa personal. Small lang. I'm small.
Yes, you're small.
Ah.
In videos you look.
I look big. Yeah. DJ, baka naman ayusin niyo yung camera niyo. Ayusin niyo yan. Ang laki ko daw sa video. What is the best thing about Pashtuns? Interviewin ko daw siya. Go.
There is a lot of best things.
Okay, just give me one.
Hospitality, braveness.
And then, yeah, I believe that.
They are very brave.
Oh yeah, I know. I seen it. I've seen it. The?
Cultural values.
Cultural values. Oh yeah.
It's very important
Wow.
for the Pashtun.
Mm-hmm.
And one thing is Pashtun Wali.
Pashtunwali?
Yes.
That's something I don't know. Okay, tell me. Pashtunwali.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about it.
Pashtun Wali is something different thing from other cultures.
Mm-hmm.
If someone says, I stand with you, I stand with you.
Stay?
Stand.
Stand with you.
Stand with you.
Okay.
That no one can stop them.
Okay.
And by the person from the stand.
Like brotherhood.
Like brotherhood.
Uh-huh.
They are very great in brotherhood.
Yeah.
That's we call the Pashtun Wali.
Pashtunwali.
When I say to you,
Say.
I stand with you,
Yeah.
then everything is come on the me hardness, hurdles, and don't distract me from you
Mm-hmm.
because I say I stand with you.
Mhm.
So this is called Pashtun.
So do you stand
My
with me?
English, I
And
said
don't-
my English is not.
Don't
good,
defend your
but-
English. It's okay. It's not our
My
first
English is not
language.
good,
My
but
English
I-
is also not good.
No, your English is much better than me.
No,
I try to speak.
I don't believe that.
I try. No, your English is much better.
You're
than
getting
me.
red. He's shy na.
I try to speak to better my English. So if you don't understand,
I understand and it's good. And people would understand it
Thank
too.
you so much.
So my question is, do you stand with me?
Yeah, I stand.
Okay, appear mo yan. Okay, everybody, so before we continue ang visit natin sa mga students, of course, the Pashtun culture, hindi sila magpapaawat. Siyempre, kailangan muna natin tea. hindi mo pwedeng malampasan to. So, tara, mag-chai tayo.
So, eto na nga everybody, after ng konting introduction, of course, chikahan kami about the school, mga kaganapan, mga gagawin namin, and the rest of our plan for today. To be honest, hindi ko alam yung magiging reaction ko ha. Hindi naman ito yung unang school na vinisit ko sa Pakistan, pero talagang nakaka-DepEd talaga siya. But still, I am grateful and I am happy na we were invited dito sa isang Pashtun community dito nga sa Rawalpindi, Pakistan.
Kita nyo ba yan? Welcome. We aim to enjoy learning, lead by example, care about everyone, offer help to others, make a difference, and exceed expectations each day. Taray! Everybody, so after the tea, we are finally visiting the students now. Ang saya na ito. We like that. I will go now. I just want to say hi. Assalamualaikum. No, it's okay. I just want to say hi to them. Alapes.
Bye.
Nakuha ng ko ba? We'll just come back later, okay? Everybody, so we are visiting the school right now. It's kind of 1 in the afternoon, but ito lang kasi yung time na binigay nila sa akin, so let's go. Assalamualaikum. Hello. So, ayun yung mga students nila here. Yeah, let's do the mathematics teacher because I know him. Ayan. Hi! Thank you. Hello. Salam. How are Sangay? Hi. Ang cute naman, sir. Ang cute ng mga student. Nakakatuwa naman to. I-focus natin on left side. Okay, sir, go.
Focus on this side.
Yeah, yeah.
What is number? Number 12, 2 pairs. Real number and imaginary number. What is the real number? अतः रेशनल नंबर नॉर्मल नंबर होता है जो p by q से तो समझ ये होता है कि साथ d नंबरेटर नॉट इक्वल टू 0 तो इस कौन सा कह सकते हैं रेशनल नंबर अगर r के साथ a q 0 आ गया इसके टू टाइप आता है एक आता है टर्मिनेटिंग एक आता है नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग क्या आता है नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग टर्मिनेटिंग क्या होता है नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग क्या होता है टर्मिनेटिंग आर दोस नंबर व्हिच हैव after a decimal has a in क्या होता है नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग टर्मिनेटिंग क्या होता है नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग क्या होता है टर्मिनेटिंग आर दोस नंबर व्हिच हैव after a decimal has a in point.
So, ganito yung feeling everybody pag nandito kayo. Nakakatuwa kasi, di ba, parang bumabalik ka sa pagkabata, tapos nakikita mo yung mga inaaral mo dati. Tapos, alam niyo, medyo mainit sa room nila. Tsaka yung mga upuan, medyo sira-sira na. My God, if you're watching this, everybody, alam niyo, I don't usually ask for it, but this time, let's do it. Let's give something like upuan. Yung upuan nila, iba-iba. Tsaka yung jug. Sana we can sila na proper lagayan ng jug. Papakita ko sa inyo. Kita mo ba yung inom? Kita nyo yung inuman nila? Sana makapag-donate tayo sa kanila ng maraming mga basong maganda. Tsaka yung magandang lagayan ng tubig nila. Tsaka titignan mo yung mga upuan nila. Medyo sira-sira na. Oh my God, i-goal ko to. Kailangan mag-goal kong mabalikan to and to give them something. Ito yung mga bags nila. Tignan mo, may lalaki. Pero yung bag niya, pang babae. Because that's only what they have. So, ayan. So, sana mabalikan natin to. Magagandang upuan, no? Shucks. Nagkaroon ako ng goal this time. To go back here and to give something. May mga babaeng students ha, pero hindi lang natin sila pinapakita. Okay? Bye! See you!
These are also the students of this school.
Ah, okay. Assalamualaikum. Sangay kai, herde, surki. Ang cute nila, mahihain sila.
They are the stars of the school.
Stars?
Stars of the school.
Why are they the stars? Why?
They are brilliant.
They are the brilliant students.
Oh, the brilliant students?
And
Rasha,
all cooperative students.
how did they become brilliant students? O, ayan yung mga brilliant students daw ng school na to. Yan yung mga magagaling, matatalino, masunurin, cooperative. Nung nandun ako sa school namin dati. Alam mo ginagawa ko nung school dati? Wala, kanta-kanta lang ako pag naboboring si teacher. Si Ma'am Beltran, hello, I still remember you. I'll just sit with you guys. Hello. It's okay, thank you. Okay, go. Para talaga ako nagde-DepEd. Para ako nagde-DepEd sa Pakistan.
कौन सी एग्जाम है इसमें आपकी बुक्स में निदा और उन पे निदा क्या है
So right now, everybody, nasa ibang classroom na tayo. Ito nasa left side ko, mga babae. Ito nasa right side, mga lalaki.
वगैरह हरूफे निदा कहलाते हैं ठीक है हरूफे तासुब कौन से अल्फाज हैं तासुब से हमें क्या लगता है अफसोस ठीक है जब भी हम किसी पे गम होता है या अफसोस होता है तो हम कहते हैं हाय तासुब ठीक है तो हरूफे तासुब वो अल्फाज जो किसी भी अफसोस के लिए इस्तेमाल हो हरूफे तासुब कहलाते हैं ये हरूफ अब मसलन ये कौन से हैं?
Nakaka-PBB So, ito yung angle ko ngayon. Tapos, i-blurred na lang natin. Ito yung left side yung mga babae, right side yung mga lalaki.
जो हम कभी गम या अफसोस के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो अल्फाज हरूफ तासुफ कहलाते हैं। हाँ जी, नहीं आपने ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, आपकी बुक्स में ये शामिल है। आपने ही
Tuwa
मैंने
lang to be
बताया था
able to experience
जो
this.
किसी तारीफ के लिए
Tayo
इस्तेमाल हो अल्फाज वो क्या कहलाते हैं?
And everybody, the class is done.
तो तमाम बच्चों की कल
Let's go.
आपकी डायरी कौन सी लिखनी है?
Bye. Thank you. Hi. Nakakatuwa naman. Gusto ko to, ang cute-cute ng experience na to. Si Sir, oh. Share si Sir kanina. Nakakatuwa.
See, your camera is off.
It's on.
Huh?
Yeah,
But I can't see.
it's on. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Ang cute naman nila. Bye. Nakaka-DepEd talaga tong ginagawa ko sa Pakistan. Nakakagang talaga ng puso ang mga bata. Nakakamiss yung school days, no? Ang saya. Parang gusto ko na lang maging teacher. Bye-bye! Bye! Ay, balik mo yan. Ang galing naman. Magbabay ka pa uwi. Nakakatuwa. Ginagawa din namin yun nung bata kami. Yung pinsan ko. Ay, sa'yo naman yan. Take care. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye daw sila. Nangulangot yung bata. Bye. As a DepEd tayo. Kay Toretto as DepEd. Bye-bye! Ay! Mag-ingat kayo! Ang cute nila! Bye! Bye-bye! Waalaikumsalam. Bye! Waalaikumsalam. Salam. Bye-bye. Take care. Ingat kayo. Bye. Assalam. Alapes. Hi. Uuwi kita. Ang cute mo. Makamukha kita. Alapes. Gusto ko yung kamay-kamay sa darating na eleksyon. Babay na. Alapes. Bye. Bye. Bye, karo ka na. Appear na lang tayo. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. I love you so. That's all the student. Bye. Ang cute naman.
Bye, Orsalog.
Bye.